Have you guys ever wondered why humans like us tend to be more ungrateful of everything that we receive for free, and we tend to take things for granted? I do want to share with you one story, okay? So once upon a time, our ancestor Adam and Eve, no matter how much the Lord loved them, no matter how much things like they have almost of everything, they have a perfect world, everything. But God tell them one thing is, hey, do not go to the forbidden garden and eat the forbidden fruit, right? But no matter how much God loved them, but that's the only one thing that they should not do. That's when they do it. So the message here that I want to share with you is, after Adam and Eve starting to go into the forbidden garden and get the fruit, what next? They got the punishment, right? Same for us. I want you to revise and kind of recall into your situation in life. So what are the time when you take things for granted until a moment where everything just like poof, everything is gone? That is the message of today is, don't take things for granted, especially when you are receiving things completely free, or you are like other people taking favor from you, okay? And number two is, make sure that you set a realistic expectation that human like us will be ungrateful. Because think of it this way, even our ancestor, they are wired into us, okay? Even our ancestor tend to be ungrateful from the start. How does human like us are grateful? That's why for me and my team and my student, I tend to teach them about gratitude every single day. So one of the things that I want you to take away and practice today is asking yourself, what are the things that you're grateful for? For me, I'm grateful for everything in my life. I'm grateful for you guys watching me right now. I'm grateful that I'm healthy. I'm grateful that I have my loved ones still with me, and I still have my health to make big things happen, right? So being grateful is going to be the daily practice to help you guys overcome human ungratefulness. And again, remember, everyone that you meet in life, everyone, even your loved ones, they're going to take you for granted, okay? Because our ancestor did that. So don't expect people to not take you for granted. And that's why give with measurement. Number two, practice daily so that you don't become that ungrateful person, okay? I'm going to share with you in the next video about Judas, how he sold God, and why you should know that the closest person to you know where the knife are kept. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for listening.